Good morning. Today is Monday, June 11th, and we're going to be taking another look at VPER Networks Inc. That's ticker symbol VPER. We've done quite a few video charts on this one in the past. We've been following this play for quite some time, and it's performed well for us and our subscribers. And we like to think if it's not broke, don't fix it. We're going to stick with this one. It's done very well for us in the past, and it looks like it's shaping up to set up for another run. Look at this consolidation period after this previous run. Notice it ran from 0016 all the way up to 0055, and VPER has consolidated. It has found support, it looks like, around the 0024 mark. It did see a low of 0021 where it bounced off the 200-day moving average, but you notice it's trading in a tight channel, trading sideways in this tight range. And on Friday it tried to get above the 20-day moving average. She actually closed right at the 20-day moving average, which is 0026. So I want to see VPER get above this 20-day, and I'd like to see it get above the 100-day, which is at 0029. And then the next resistance is going to be the 50-day moving average, which is sitting here at 0031. And after that, the next key resistance point is going to be this 0037 and 0049. So a couple of things that you want to keep in mind. Resistance points, if it doesn't break through the resistance point, generally there will be some consolidation. Needs to hold support. So support is at 0024. I'd like to see that hold. The next level of support is 0021. So it's very crucial that it holds these levels of support. Otherwise you could see some downside. If it doesn't hold this level of support at 0021, the next support is going to fall at 0016. Let's take a look at the other indicators on the chart. Currently you have the RSI, which is kissing the 50 overlay. I'd like to see it get through this 50 moving average, which is at 47.46. I'd like to see the RSI get through that and continue to climb north and get through the 50 line and head up into the power zone. You have the PPO, which is also getting ready to pass the 50 overlay. And take a look at the slow stow. These lines are hooking up, looking like they're getting ready for a possible cross. The slow stow looks a bit oversold down here. Notice the last few times where the slow stow got down to this range, it had bounced off of it and it had struggled to get above the 50 overlay. Except for right here, once she broke that 50 overlay, then you notice the nice price per share increase as VPER broke out when the stock slow stow broke through the 50 overlay. So I'm looking for these lines to turn, cross, and get through that 50 overlay. So all in all, the chart on VPER looks really good. It's performed very well for us in the past. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to stop by our blog at bluehorseshoestocks.com.